Here we go, a day in the wonderful life of a tow truck driver. Cleveland, Ohio, 2018 Nissan Rogue. On the side of the highway, won't run. Now, see, Ohio has this thing, state law, to move over or slow down with emergency vehicles or flashing lights. Well, as can be seen, my lights are clearly running. Bed's up in the air, high enough where people can see the bed is running. But since I have very little room to work with here, probably 18 inches. But as you can see, they're not slowing down and moving over. Matter of fact, some are actually turning into the lane. But yet they wonder why tow truck drivers have a high mortality rate. Well, I think it's pretty darn obvious. So when you call the local police department for traffic control, they take their sweet time. Oh, look, here's somebody coming into the lane. Well, I guess they're moving over just the wrong direction.